Click the website icon, then go to Contact. Let's scroll the website preview to the contact info. Here you can choose if your phone number and email address are visible to the customers. You can also change your company address. Let's move on to the opening hours. Turn on the switch and add the hours during which your business operates. For each day, you can add time ranges, mark it as open 24 hours, or specify that it is closed. You can add a background to the contact section. Choose a predefined background by filtering by category. You can also upload your file. The file can't be larger than 10 megabytes, and we recommend choosing a photo at least 1,920 pixels wide. A great feature for customer experience is online chat. We recommend leaving it enabled anytime along with the AI assistant feature, because this way your customers can get quick answers any time of the day. Here you can change your chat teaser and the follow-up questions. You can set a teaser action. We'll add a button directing a customer to the booking system. We need to paste a link. We can also set a hint. Teaser timeout is the time after which the chat window opens, once the page is loaded. Options available in the typical response time setting are possible messages displayed in the chat window when the AI assistant is off. Let's save and check how the chat behaves after we refresh the website. The chat window is immediately open. We can see the previously set follow-up questions, a call to action button, and the hint. More AI settings are available in the AI tab on the sidebar. Here you can set your AI assistant behavior or upload knowledge-based documents. IKOL, AI for Business.